Let us now discuss about the motion in 1, 2 and 3 dimension. Motion in 1 dimension. Just now we have discussed that motion can be described by a set of 3 coordinate axes, which is x, y and z, where O is the origin, or we can say the position of the observer. Now when during the motion only x coordinate of that body is changing, it means that kind of motion only one coordinate is changing, that kind of motion is called one dimension motion. Means the motion of an object in a straight line is called the one dimension motion. For example, train moving over the rail track, bus moving over the level road, a person walking over a level road, or any motion which is a straight line motion is called, in which only one coordinate of positions is changing with respect to the surrounding, is called one dimension motion. When we talk about two dimension motion, means in which either x, y, y, z or zx coordinate are changing. For example, if I am talking about this position, now in this case the two position coordinates are changing, so that is called the we can say in this case the two coordinates are changing, so this is the two dimension motion. For example, anything which is crawling over the floor, snake crawling over the floor, when it is crawling, in this case its x and y coordinates both are changing. Any planar motion is said to be the two dimension motion. For example, the revolution of earth around the sun is also a two dimension motion. Now the third case, when three coordinates x, y and z coordinates, all the three coordinates are changing, in that case that motion is said to be three dimension motion. For example, the gas motion of a gas molecule, or a fly which is flying in a room, flying of an aeroplane. In this case all the three dimensions of the coordinate system changes, so that is why these are called the three dimension motion. So basically, when only x coordinate changing, that is one dimension motion. When x or y, y or z, z or x, or any of the two, the coordinate system changes, that is called two dimension motion. When all the three coordinates are changing, when the body is moving, that is called the three dimensional motion.